and then we add the 0 at the end. So this is my final answer. Oh, it doesn't fit very well. Maybe I should draw a line. Next, I have 800 times 500. I know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So 8 times, or 800 times 500 is going to give me what? I know that 8 times 5 is 40, and then I'm going to add my 4 zeros in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I get 400,000. Okay, now we have 8,000 times 50. I know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. I'm going to multiply 8,000 times 50. So I have 40 already, and I'm going to bring in 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to equal to 400,000. Now, I'm going to move on to the next problem. We have problem C. Okay, so I know that 637 times 3 is going to give me what? So I'm going to solve for it so I know that what my answer is going to be. 637 times 3. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 6 times 3 is equal to, sorry, it's a little blurry. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So I get 1,911 would be my final answer. So now this one is basically the same, but they're adding zeros. So I know that 637 times 3 is equal to 1,911. So if I were to have 6,370 times 30, I'm going to get 2 zeros at the end. So 191100 is going to be 191,100. This one, I know that 637 times 3 is equal to 1,911. So if I were to multiply 6,370 times 300, the only difference is there's 3 zeros at the end of that answer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 3 zeros. So my final answer is 1,911,000. Last one, I have 637 times 3, which is equal to 1,911. So that's what I solved right there. And now I'm going to multiply 63,700 times 300. I'm going to add 4 zeros at the end to that answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my final answer is going to be 19,111,000. Okay? Now problem number 4, it says a concrete stepping stone measures 20 square inches. What is the area of 30 such stones? So you guys haven't learned area yet? I don't think so. Area means that you're multiplying base times height. So if you have a concrete stepping stone, you're multiplying 20 times 30. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to multiply 20 times 30. I know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then I'm adding my 2 zeros at the end. So my final answer is 600 square inches. Which is the same as rounding up inches squared. You guys don't learn area yet until later on in the year. Number 5, a number is 42,300 when multiplied by 10. Find the product of this number and 500. So what they're asking you right now is they're asking you, there is a number that is being multiplied. A number is 42,300 is being multiplied by 10. They want me to figure out what does that equal to. Okay? Oh, wait. Sorry. That's the answer. So they're doing this backwards. You have 42,300 and a number multiplied is what you get. So they're asking you what is this number. To figure out that number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I am dividing, right? So I can set this up as 42,300 divided by 10. And what I'm going to get is 4,230 over 1, which is equal to 4,230. And that is what they want me to have. But I'm not done, because now they want you to find the product of this number and 500. So I need to multiply this number by 500. 4,230 times 500. The first thing I'm going to do is I would multiply 423 times 5 first, because that's a smaller number and it's more manageable to multiply. 423 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. So I get 2,115, but I'm not quite done. I need to add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So my final answer is 2,115,000. And that is the final answer. Cool. Big numbers today. Okay. Have a great rest of your day. Ask me any questions if you have any. Okay?